45 boy, T Mika. It's cypher time, meaning I'm reciting rhymes. More fire than the sun. If you see me, you might go blind. I'm Nolo, no YOLO. You wanna take a photo? It's $25 essence with your hoe. Can't say that, cannot. Oh no. Whatever, life is on this photo. So go, make your dreams come true. Mine is on in my own logo and making crowds jump like pogo. 45 is my crew. We so close, we blood no pyro. Any hater can die too when these lines go by you. The blue bayou is where you rest in, cause I am the best in. Labels need to choose me to invest in. Wordplay impressive, vocabulary extensive. Since that's on the offensive, be pensive, end up in detention. School you fools to the lesson plan. I stand and deliver a flow so cold it'll make your bones shiver. You better, I should coach you. First class, mad leg room. Bar for bar with me, man of African descent. I beg you, I get loose on this renegade, straight scaring them effectively. Check the chemistry, I'ma bury him. Save yourself the embarrassment. Your pride, you need to cherish it, cause I will leave you perishing and you will be transparent then. Metaphors furious, simile game serious. It's easy to understand if you're hearing it, like a science experiment that's gone right. Alright, I could do this all night, cause the boy gets sick with that. Get that, more bars in the factory, manufacturing Kit Kats. Spitting that spit tack, that's fresher than Tic Tacs. You rhyme via Xerox to spit facts, so get back to the drawing board. Your tomfoolery ain't cool to me. My flow is fluent and the truest beat. I killed this beat. My 16 should be its eulogy. Y'all already know, man. How we do around here. 813 Tampa, Florida. Nolo 45 boys. Team Mika all day, all day, all day.